Hello guys, in this video we'll learn how to buy a website name. A website name is also called a domain name. Just to give a brief info what exactly a domain is. So it's like every particular website has address and those address are created in a number combination. It is like 1080.10.10.15, something like that, and every particular domain points to some server where your website is hosted. So ultimately the domain concept came into picture where easy to remember words were created and mapped towards the original address, the address which was in number formation. So this is the background domain, and to buy a domain, this if this thing is coming in your mind, it means either you want to start a portfolio website, or you want to create a e-commerce website, or any idea is like hopping in your brain and you want to execute it out. So the very first thing to understand is like choosing the right domain name. So how exactly you can come with that idea? So if the domain name is something that belongs to your name, then it's very easy. You can just go on search for your name. But if it is something that is going to be like demonstrating your project, so it should be in a easier to remember words, and it should contain some dictionary words, so that it will improve your search engine optimization, which means the keywords used in your domain will be the one that people are actually doing research on Google or some other portals. So once your domain is ready in your mind, then you can just visit any of these websites. Actually, there are hundreds of websites providing these services. I basically use GoDaddy because I just started with it. And once you start with a particular portal, you try to maintain the same portal to buy all the domains, because every year you have to renew it. So you don't want to just like log in into hundreds of websites and keep updating your domains. So that's why you have to choose one portal. GoDaddy is simple, clear, and it also provides a good amount of coupons and services. So once you are here, and suppose in my use case, I am going to create a website for Elon Musk, and I think my users will be someone in tech field, and my users will be searching by Elon's name. So I can name it Elon Tech Musk. So it has three keywords: Elon, Tech, and Musk. So if someone is searching for Elon Musk, then also this particular domain name is optimized. If someone is searching for Tech Elon, then also it is optimized, right? There might be use cases like if I suppose try to buy GoDaddy from GoDaddy and GoDaddy is unavailable, or if I try to buy Go Coding, it's also one of my website, and Go Coding is unavailable. So what you can do, you can buy the alternative name like .org you have searched for. You can go with some other extensions. So these extensions point out to certain region or certain group of enterprise and organization. So .com is was like developed for commerce .com, but it became the highest ranking domain in the world. And then came .net, that is for network. Then we have the third one is that org, that is for our organization. And then we have something called in EU, US, that is regional base, India, European Union, and United States of America. So I want to buy Go coding, but it is not available, and I want this extension. So GoDaddy provides alternative for that. So this also will rank with the same amount of keyword matching, because the two keywords are here also. So I can choose these also. So you have visited a website, you have searched for a domain. If found, you will click buy. If not, you'll look for alternative keywords. The third one is something called buying using coupons. So you should research, because a lot of times it happen that you can buy a domain in half rate. Some offers are going on some of the portals, so you can do that. And also it is recommended to buy for at least 2 years. Suppose an offer is going on, so the offer mostly runs in some such a way that for the first year the value is 149, and the second year the value will be 699. But if you will buy for only 1 year, this offer will not be applicable. They do provide the offer in a group of periods, a group of years. So that's the reason it is suggested or recommended to buy for at least 2 years. So suppose if I am going to buy gocoding.in, I will just go to add to cart. I will continue to cart, and I will not choose anything that is not required. I will certainly not take it for 5 years. 2 years is enough as per my requirement, and I'm ready to pay. And in case you have a promo code, you can apply that, get some discounts, and pay via your credit or debit card. So yeah, that's it. That's the way you buy a domain. Thank you.